Get it. Grab it. It's yours.
Come and learn colors with me.
Open.
Yeah, open it.
Is it open?
You need some help? Here, I help you. I help.
Put
Here,
in
just look at the seams.
Oh, who's it from?
It's from Lissa.
Auntie Lissa got you it.
Is
Go ahead and peel.
Buttons.
Oh,
Take a piece
oh,
and
come on.
cut it.
Look, Brayden.
What is it, Brayden?
see what's this?
I don't know.
It's a TV. Not close. It's a TV.
What is it?
A
Are
TV.
you still there?
Pull it out.
What's this?
I don't know. What is it?
It's TV. Pulse. It's TV.
Yeah, it's for...
Alright.
This is.
Alright.
This is.
It's Jesus. That's right. That is Jesus.
Oh, that's cool. Set the charger here. You filming?
Mhm.
Okay.
He's actually opening up a gift. Of course I am.
Jesus.
He's getting it. He's getting there.
Santa.
Oh, we needed more Christmas books. Good deal.
Yeah.
Books.
Because we're getting tired of the old ones.
Jesus.
Santa's Christmas prayer.
Prison prayer.
Uh-huh. Yeah, Mama takes out the dust jackets.
Jesus now. Can religion.
That's Santa.
The send down, sit down, and sing. Sun. I'll read this book.
Well, open it. Maybe it is a book, maybe it isn't. What is it?
It's a dog.
Uh-huh.
In?
These
What do they call it?
What do you call those?
marshmallows.
Yeah, marshmallows. They're all different colors. What else is in the stocking?
A stocking.
These are Brayden's marshmallows anyways.
I'm hearing you. It'd be good footage.
Yeah. He's like, I can't scarf them down fast.
And the castle.
It's like a big sack, yes.
Six.
I don't know. What is it?
Six.
What is it?
Card.
A car toothbrush, huh?
Here's the card. Open.
Do you have it? Look, another ornament for the tree. Where the...
Six.
What is it?
What's this?
What is it?
That opens.
More presents, yeah. What is it?
Whoa!
What's this?
Whoa!
Who is that? Is that Wally? Is that a robot?
A robot.
Uh-huh.
Trust.
A robot.
What trust?
What is it, Brayden?
That's
What is it?
microphone.
Microphone, that's right.
Oh,
You want...
Who?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Okay, where was wait on the things there and there.